inherently the search and seizure laws, which are affecting issues with profiling, which is currently a part of our market, is an issue that must be addressed and established into a way in which police can be videotaped and recorded in the actual search and seizure process. Ultimately, there is a lot of accusations that occur that police officers in both the state and the federal district, agents are conducting traffic stops actually in violation of the Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution of America, and various state constitutions which go along with the actual search and seizure mechanism. What must be done and shall be done in the event in which individuals are stopped in their vehicle. Okay, there's a passenger in the vehicle, and the subject of the stop is not in accordance with what is conveyed by the officer. These are issues which, under various guidelines of the law, state that they are issues for suppression. Suppression is a mechanism designed in both federal and state courts to actually suppress, dismiss, or quash the introduction of evidence acquired in violation of citizens' constitutional rights from the proceeding. Okay, now there's various types of search and seizure which go along with the actual stop. For one instance, if the stop in itself is unlawful, meaning you may have a situation in which an officer may pull over and stop a vehicle under the guise or under the statement that the stop is in relation to a traffic stop or a minor infraction relative to some problem with the vehicle, which goes forth, and in that particular situation, whether it's a broken tail light, broken headlight, or other defective equipment on the actual vehicle, which is the subject of the stop, okay, and in this certain instance in which a citation is never written, okay, for that actual stop, and as a result of that stop, interrogation takes place, and as a result of this interrogation and continued detention, and mind you, this continued detention that I'm talking about is not a mere encounter with police officers. It's a situation where individuals feel as if they are not free to go, okay, and the officer, by a display of authority and force, causes them to stay at the scene of the stop. This is Dan Richardson. I'm with the Golden Eagle Legal Research Firm. This video is titled Search and Seizure Stops in Vehicle Situations, where there's a passenger in the vehicle which is searched as a result of the stop of the driver, okay, and the passenger finds himself in trouble with the law, and vice versa, the driver finds himself being searched by a police officer after a minor traffic stop. You can reach me at 570-780-5323. We do provide legal research information packets that can better inform you on the law in your current state regarding search and seizure mechanisms or any other mechanisms which come forth with the Fourth Amendment of the United States of America. I'm at 570-780-5323. Any questions or comments? Furthermore, you can reach me at goldeneagle378 at AOL.com. And we can go from there. Leave me a message on YouTube, and we can get together and establish what is the issue. This information is provided only for legal informational purposes only, or general information purposes only. If you do have a legal situation, you should consult the advice of a professional, licensed legal professional in your area or district, or of course an attorney. This is general information. Okay, search and seizure, Dan Richardson, contact.